You sure now? This is how we are harvesting the granite in the bush. As you can see, this is what we came to do in the bush today. This is harvest period, and we are here to harvest the granite and take it home. This is what we do this way. As you can see. You can drop your message if you need some. I will send it to you so that you can eat. Drop an email in the comment section. I will send your own granite inside. When I must have cooked it. It will be so tasty and delicious.
One.
This is what we came to do today in the bush.